Hello everyone, my name is Jose and I welcome you to my first video on my channel. I'm a truck driver, music promoter, make beef jerky, the jerky plug, ship it all over the United States. But I've been wanting to do reviews for a while now. This particular first review is going to be on the Leatherman Free E4, which I absolutely love. I've only had it for about 2 weeks. And I use it every day. I don't know what took me so long to finally get one. It's kind of pricey, so maybe that's why I didn't got to use it that much. But in this case, my pigtail fell, or got caught, ripped off, and it's 2:40 in the morning in the middle of nowhere in Texas. So I have my new one. And we'll see how really good it works. This channel is going to be very direct. There's not going to be slow panning, background music, all the fancy stuff. It's going to be straightforward, direct, and no bullshit. So I'm going to pause it right quick so I can take all this nonsense off, and then I'll come back when I'm using the leather free. Alright, so here in the pigtail, you can see I need to get to that before I release the rest of the cable. Very easy. One hand, pliers. That simple. Very, very smooth operating. No fuss, no. Since day one, I didn't have to break it in. I love that knife. Pause you again. This cable is a little too big for the Leatherman to cut. I'm going to go ahead and use some other ones, but alright. Cut into it. It was even hard to cut with these pliers. So the Leatherman is still winning. I'm just gonna cut this back, and then we'll see if it's true that the wire cutters work and all that good stuff. I haven't sharpened this knife since I bought it. As you can tell, it's pretty goddamn sharp. I'll be back. Here you can see the ends are not nice and clean cut, so I'll try the wire cutters. And to be honest with you, if I wouldn't have this Leatherman on me right now, I'd be up the shit creek without a goddamn paddle. So a lot of people say it's got, this, it doesn't have that. I guess we can't have our cake and eat it too, but I mean, it's getting the job done. So even with gloves, it's pretty easy to operate with gloves. I have nothing bad to say, but bitumen. Here we're gonna take this off with the Phillips. Unscrew it, loosen it up, and then I've got to use flathead. Actually, I used the valve just yesterday. I was trying to change SIM cards to this new phone. I didn't have a freaking little lock for little key to unlock it. Flathead. And so I got a key ring and I followed it down and I was able to release the SIM card and get this phone working. Like I said, guys, it's not going to be anything fancy. It's going to be straightforward. It's going to be reviews. It's not on the job site. It's going to be, nice reviews. It's not going to be no open box. It's not going to be nothing like that. There's plenty of videos out there showing open box and all that good stuff. Not here. It's going to be raw. It's going to be unedited and probably a lot of foul language. After all, I'm a truck driver. A lot of just pure honesty. A lot of hesitant moments like the one I just had. I'm not the most proper speaking guy, so. But anyways, I look forward to this. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I'm trying to keep the time low. We'll see. There's different things that will take a lot longer. Next, I'll be reviewing these aftershocks. I've had it for about 3 months now. And a left field trucker jacket, salvage denim, all that bullshit stuff. Well, sounded good. So yeah, guys, it's getting a little long. You can tell I'll be able to get the job done with this Leatherman free. Once again, if you could afford it, excellent. Go ahead and jump on it. 140 something bucks. But this is a lifesaver for me today, so to me it's definitely worth that money. This is literally the only tool I have besides this. So yeah, guys, welcome to my channel. Look forward to your likes and your subscriptions. It's not going to be all the time. It's not going to be every gadget that I get. But if I think that you deserve a nice, honest review and there's nothing out there like it, I'll be sure to post it. Because I searched for this stuff. I didn't see anything, so I just bit the bullet and bought it. So, like I said, plenty of unboxing stuff and all that bullshit, but nothing of actual hands-on. And so that's what I hope to bring to you, actual hands-on. And if you have any questions, any comments, positive, negative, please let me know. It won't hurt my feelings. I won't be crying, at least. I have a 11-year-old that is going too fast on me. She doesn't stop with that. Like I said, like, subscribe, and when I do happen to post, get the alert, and hopefully it's something that you've been looking for. And I look forward to giving you guys more reviews like this one. Stay safe. Wrap it up. Stay healthy.